Mocha XL from WAC reveals a sleek silhouette that makes a powerful design statement in your home's interior and exterior. With a blade sweep of 66 inches and 8-blade configuration, rendered in 3 architectural finishes are available: brushed aluminum, matte black, and matte white. This Energy Star rated smart fan uses a quiet, efficient DC motor and is constructed with an aluminum housing and ABS blades, generating an airflow of 10,853 CFMs. Use the exclusive WAC app to control fan speeds and unlock smart features. The Bluetooth remote allows you to operate your fan. Mocha XL is available with a cap or with an LED luminaire. Your choice. Sleek angles and straight lines. WAC's Mocha XL. An expanded, redefined design with a cutting-edge aesthetic.